Hey guys, this is Eva from Ben's Park Family Adventures, and today we have the Disney Mystery Princess PleyBox. We are affiliates of Pley, and they sent us this for free, and you can order your own PleyBox subscription through us. I'm so excited, so let's open this. And this is Cinderella. So let's see. Let's see what this is because I cannot tell through the bag. Oh, it's a purse. It's a little mini purse thing. Oh, it says create your own fairy tale. I like that. I really do. That's cute. Then we have, a coin thing. Surprisingly, it does not have Cinderella on it. I'm surprised. But it has bells, so I'm okay. And then, what is this? I'm guessing it's like a t-shirt or something. Might be. Oh, it is a very large pillow cover. It says Dream Big Princess. There you go. And, the light up yo-yo. It has Belle on it. It's a book. My favorite princess. And so now the shirt, one of my favorite parts. It says, believe with all your heart. And then lastly, we have the book. And I'm guessing you can create her castle at the inside of this. Because of So, this is Eva from Ben's Park Family Adventures. You can find us on Instagram and Twitter as Ben's Park, on Facebook.com/Ben's Park Family Adventures, and you can find us here making new videos every day. Thanks for watching.